Hello, this is Gary with Lykins. What I'm here to do today is to introduce everyone to the new FluidSecure fuel management system. This video is for installation purposes, so we all know what we're doing and how to do it well. So first thing that we want to do is start with what parts are involved. The first thing involved is the inline pulser. This just comes right in line after a filter or somewhere within the hose system. There's actually an arrow on the bottom that will show you the flow rate. You want to go out away instead of back towards the pump. And this connects right down into the FluidSecure system. This probe right here is the actual system itself. This is locked in with a wireless hotspot hub that can get connected to your cell phone or to a tablet. And through the cell phone and the tablet, that's how you turn on and off the system. We'll get to that in a later video to show you how that works. So when we order these systems, you can order with the probe, with the pulser, and with a hardware installation kit. Just to save boring time, I went ahead and installed everything, and I'll show you kind of how to wire it to save yourself some aggravations. So first thing that we have in the pulser is these three wires. There's a red, gray, and orange wire. If you can tie these things up and just get them out of the way, these are for different systems. An auxiliary, if you wanted to do a 12 volt or a higher voltage, these are the wires that you need to accomplish those tasks. So the easiest way to go about it is just to get them out of your hair and not worry about them anymore. Okay, so you've got your power from the power cord. There's a bypass switch in case the system happens to not work. That way you're able to still run your fuel. The wires from your probe and the wiring from the junction box. So the first wiring that you want to worry about is your wiring from your power source, which is your black wire here, and then that connects into the black wiring that goes into the FluidSecure unit, as well as the bypass switch brown wire and another brown wire that comes from the FluidSecure unit. So that's one wire section that you get clapped together right there. The other black wire that comes from the pump just gets connected to the other emergency pass-off switch and to the FluidSecure unit. So what we're really doing is we're connecting the circuit from your power source up to the bypass switch to the unit. And then from the unit, it's communicating back to the pump. So that's how those are connected. And then the only other wiring involved is your whites. You put all your whites together, and then your ground wires. And as far as your installation, that's really it. The longest part is basically just assembling your junction box and putting your bypass switch in.